Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to take you on a journey back in time at Westfield Heritage Village. This one's located just outside of Hamilton, Ontario.
Six കഴിഞ്ഞ് 7 ആ ഇനി ഞാൻ നിൽക്കട്ടെ ജോലി എൻ്റെ നോക്കട്ടെ
സിദ്ധു 6 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 7ലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay. Thank you so much.
Alright. Well, this living history museum is a hidden gem that offers an incredible opportunity to explore what life was like in Ontario from the early 19th to 20th century. So let's dive into history and see what this amazing place has to offer. Westfield Heritage Village is not just a collection of old buildings. It's a carefully curated experience that brings history to life. So, if you are a history buff, a family looking for a fun day out, or just someone who appreciates a good story, this place has something for everyone. Let's start with a little bit of background here. The village was established in 1961 by a group of dedicated local historians and preservationists. Their mission was to save historical buildings and artifacts that were in danger of being lost forever due to urbanization and modernization. And thank God they did. Because what we have today is one of the most extensive and authentic living history sites in Ontario.
And that is corn, beans, and squash. And the three sisters were actually an agricultural technique that was built. So what happens is you would plant the corn, and the corn has the nice long thick stalk. Then you plant the beans once the corn is starting to grow, and the beans will actually curl up around the corn instead of spreading out, and that makes it healthier.
The village features over 35 restored buildings that have been relocated here from various parts of Ontario. Each building has its own unique story, and together they paint a vivid picture of life in Ontario during those back in time. Every building has been carefully restored to give you an authentic glimpse into Ontario's past.
Your mom, auntie, okay. You're just making sure it's all ants or something. I've done that before and you go, oh no, I'm the ant. So you're a cowboy. So do you like horses?
I like chicken.
You like chickens? I'm with you. I like chickens too. But if you want to know about horses, in the
നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിച്ചു പോവാം ഇത് ഓപ്പണല്ല പ്രിന്റർ ബുക്ക് ബൈൻഡർ.
Alright, now that we know a bit about the history, so let's explore some of the key attractions here. Westfield Heritage Village isn't just about exploring on your own. They also host a variety of special events throughout the year that bring history to life in even more exciting ways. Every building has been carefully restored to give you an authentic glimpse into Ontario's past. In the spring, there is a maple syrup festival where you can see how maple syrup is made using traditional methods. And of course, enjoy some delicious samples. During the Christmas time, the village transformed into a festive wonderland with decorations, crafts, and even visits from the Santa Claus. Westfield also offers a range of educational programs for schools and groups, as well as workshops where you can learn traditional crafts and trades. Whether you are interested in blacksmithing, weaving, or even historic cooking methods, there is something here for everyone to learn and enjoy. Westfield isn't just about the buildings. It's about the entire atmosphere. The village is set within a beautiful natural environment with trails and picnic areas that makes it perfect for a family day out or a peaceful solo trip. Hey, check this out. Westfield even has its own train station, complete with a locomotive. Trains were the lifeblood of many communities in the early 19th century. And this station is a beautiful preserved example of that era. Westfield has plenty of spots where you can relax and enjoy a meal. You can pack a picnic or grab a bite from Village's Cafe when it's open.
ഇതിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലേ ഓ അതല്ലേ ഇത് വീടിനുള്ളായിരിക്കും. ഇതൊക്കെ എന്താ
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Like it's scary. I think we're just looking at a house.
Wellness and happiness. Pumpkins are often abused, pushed around, rolled, picked, used in slingshots. But here at Pumpkin Hospital, we're helping them to be healthy again. This one came to us completely white. This was a white pumpkin. But thanks to our research here at Pumpkin Hospital, we've been able to give him a pumpkin juice, trademark pending, transfusion, and coming along very nicely. We're weighing the health of these two pumpkins. It's in the balance. Here we're doing some research on pumpkins. Yes, we feel that it is better to take the guts out of your pumpkin through the tummy rather than the head. But from that, we discovered, through great research, pumpkin DNA. Yes, DNA. It's a single strand helix. And DNA stands for just do not ask us. This one has a terrible eye infection when he came to us. We removed his eyes and now he's seeing a lot clearer. This one was hit, it was used in a slingshot, and now we've stitched it up and it's coming along very nicely. This one is in a pot. We own that it's in a pot, but it's not in a pot because it needs to be in a pot. It's in a pot because we're short on beds here at Pumpkin Hospital. We've had to rent our back room to a pie company. I'm getting there, honey. Just hold your horses. On that.
പോവാം തന്നോ കുഞ്ഞു കടയാണ് പെണ്ണ വിപ്പുണ്ട്
Hey there. അവരാ കറക്റ്റ് സാധനം മേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേക്കണുണ്ട് അവിടെ. ഇതിങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു പഴയ കാനഡ. പഴയ വെസ്റ്റേൺ കൾച്ചറും പഴയ കാനഡയൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു.
Now let's go over some practical information for your visit. Westfield Heritage Village is located at 1049 Kirkwall Road in Rockton, Ontario, just a short drive from Hamilton. It's open seasonally, typically from spring through late fall, but be sure to check their official website for the most up-to-date hours and event schedules. Admission is very reasonable with discounts available for children, seniors, and families. If you think you will be visiting more than once, an annual membership might be a great option. It gives you unlimited access to the village and all of its events. Well, I think I've covered almost all the things. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and drop a comment below if you ever been to Westfield or if there's another historic site you think I should check out next. Until next time, take care and keep exploring. Bye.